The skeletal system. We find most of the human body system to be hard and bony as they are mainly formed of bones. These bones form a framework in our body called as skeleton. These together make up the skeletal system. The skeletal system protects our body. The skeleton is made up of different types of bones. See here. The framework within our body is known as the skeleton. The skeleton gives our body shape and support. The skeleton protects the soft and delicate organs inside the body from injury. The skeleton is made up of bones which are of different sizes and shapes. Our body has 206 different bones. Bones of head, shoulder, blades and hips are made up of flat bones. The bones of our arm and legs are long bones. The bones in our palm and feet are short bones. The bones in our backbone or spine are irregular bones. Functions of the skeletal system. Skeleton gives form, shape, support to our body. Bones are hard and strong, so they do not bend. Functions of skeleton. The backbone protects the spinal cord. Skull protects the brain. The rib cage protects the lungs and heart. The hip bones protect organs like the kidneys, bladder, etc. The muscles are attached to the skeleton and it's make the movement possible. See here. The long bones of the skeleton contain a cavity filled with soft, fatty material called bone marrow, where red blood cells are formed. Blood cells are made in the bone marrow, especially RBCs. It means red blood corpuscles are formed in bone marrow. The red blood cells contain a red substance called hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs. Parts of the skeleton. Our skeleton consists of the skull, the backbone, the limbs, and the girdles and the ribcage. Parts of the skeleton. The skull. The skull is bony box formed by 8 flat bones fitted together. The face is made up of 14 bones, of which only the lower jaw is movable. Then the skull rests on the backbone. Now backbone. 33 small bones called vertebrae together make up the long backbone or vertebral column. The spinal cord, which is delicate organ, is enclosed in the backbone and is thus protected. The backbone is joined to the skull at its upper end. Now the limbs. There are 2 pairs of limbs. A pair of forelimbs or arm and a pair of hind limbs or legs. The limbs are made up of long bones fitted together. The upper arm has only one long bone called humerus. The lower arm has two bones called radius and ulna, a wrist bone and the smaller bones of the fingers. The upper arm joins the lower arm of elbow. The upper leg is made up of a strong, long bone called femur or thigh bone. This is the largest bone in our body. The lower leg has two bones called tibia and fibula, the ankle bone and the smaller bone of the toes. The upper leg meets the lower legs of the knee. Now the girdles. There are two pairs of girdle, a pair of shoulder girdle and a pair of hip girdle. So here shoulder girdle, then here hip girdle. The girdle lie on either side of the backbone and are fixed to it. Now the rib cage. The rib cage is formed by 12 pairs of long curved bones called the ribs, in which 10 pairs are joined in front of the breastbone. The last two pairs of ribs are free of the front and called floating ribs.